the name cured-in-place pipe implies, this is a process that takes place within the actual pipes themselves, and in the vast majority of cases requires little or no extensive and costly excavation. Here's how the CIPP, cured-in-place pipe, or pipe within a pipe process works. The pipeline designated for repair is investigated with closed-circuit high-definition cameras to assess the damage and determine the condition of the pipe for the best method of rehabilitation. Before CIPP technology, this type of repair could only be performed by excavating the area above the pipe. This is a highly disruptive process, which, thanks to PERMA CIPP patented lining systems, dig and replace has been virtually eliminated. Measurements are taken with a sewer camera of the clean-out stack pipe, desired liner starting point, and desired liner stopping point. Our patented scrim liner material and calibration tube is then marked and cut job site specific. The liner material is inserted into the calibration tube to the desired pre-marked spot, where the liner will be bonded to the calibration tubing using a special plastic bonding adhesive. The liner material is then saturated with a proprietary blend of 100% solids epoxy resin that will ultimately form the new pipe inside of the damaged pipe. Next, the calibration tube and saturated liner are loaded into the PERMA lateral inversion drum, and the drum is positioned over the cleanout. The calibration tube and liner material are then introduced into the damaged pipe by using air pressure to invert both materials down the length of the repair. Once the liner and calibration tube have completely inverted, the calibration tube is inflated to its desired holding pressure and will act as a bladder, pressing the resin-saturated liner against the host pipe for a designated amount of time. During this period, the chemical reaction will take place, causing the liner to cure to its hardened state. The calibration tube is removed by winding the material directly back into the inversion machine, leaving no mess or waste. A post video is then taken for final inspection. The result is a permanent CIPP-lined repair that is stronger, longer lasting, and more durable than the damaged and deteriorated pipe prior to being lined. And all of this is achieved in a fraction of the time it would take to run a traditional dig and replace operation, making cured-in-place pipe lining truly a time and money-saving, as well as environmentally friendly repair.